Did you know that passion flower has been shown to reduce anxiety levels by up to 50%? That's right. Passion flower is the secret ingredient you've been missing for better sleep and stress relief, and I'm about to show you why. Welcome back to Natural Remedy Guide. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of passion flower. This natural remedy is gaining traction, and for good reason. It's not just a pretty flower. It's packed with benefits that could really enhance your wellness routine. So, let's explore why passion flower is considered a game changer. Now, let's talk about some common issues that many of us face. Stress and anxiety have become part of our daily lives, right? Whether it's work pressure, personal challenges, or just the hustle and bustle of life, it can be overwhelming. And let's not forget about sleep disturbances. A lot of people struggle to get quality rest, which can leave us feeling drained and irritable. These problems can impact our mental health, productivity, and overall quality of life. But here's where passion flower comes into play. It's known to help ease these challenges and provide a natural alternative to over-the-counter solutions. So, if you're looking for a more holistic approach to managing stress, anxiety, and sleep issues, stick around because passion flower might just be the answer you didn't know you were looking for. All right, let's dive into the 5 reasons why passion flower is so effective. First up, its calming properties. Passion flower is rich in flavonoids, which have been shown to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. It's like nature's chill pill. The second reason is its potential to aid sleep. Studies suggest that passion flower tea can improve sleep quality, helping you drift off more easily and wake up feeling refreshed. Third, it's great for managing anxiety symptoms. Research indicates that it can be as effective as some prescription medications, but without the nasty side effects. Fourth, passion flower has anti-inflammatory properties, which can also support your overall health. And finally, it's super easy to incorporate into your routine. You can find it in tea, capsules, or even tinctures. So, whether you're feeling stressed at work or having trouble sleeping, passion flower has got your back. Let me share a quick personal story that really highlights the benefits of passion flower. A friend of mine was going through a tough time. Stress from work and sleepless nights were taking a toll on her. She decided to give passion flower a shot after hearing about its benefits. Within a couple of weeks of drinking passion flower tea each night, she noticed a big change. Not only was she able to relax more easily, but her sleep improved, and she felt more focused at work. It was like a light bulb went off. Passion flower truly transformed her wellness journey, and she couldn't stop raving about it. This just goes to show how powerful this little flower can be. So, to recap, here are the 5 reasons passion flower is a game changer. Its calming properties, ability to aid sleep, effectiveness in managing anxiety, anti-inflammatory benefits, and its easy incorporation into your daily routine. With all these benefits, it's no wonder that passion flower is becoming a go-to natural remedy for many. Have you ever tried passion flower? I'd love to hear your experiences in the comments below. And if you're interested in more natural remedies, be sure to check out our next video where we explore the benefits of other herbal wonders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.